friends, it's me, Indiana Jones, and usually you'd be crafting with me, but today I have a shopping haul. Yes, I hate to admit it, I have another shopping haul, and this one is sponsored by Temu once again. I was very surprised that they approached me to once again share my shopping experience with them. And I have to be very honest with you, after my first one, I did go online and buy some items like jewelry and clothing, and from all the items I've purchased so far, I was very happy. So I'm glad that they approached me once again to share some of the crafting items that I have been able to get from Temu. So let's take a look at what I got today. Wake up, Luna! It's a Temu haul! Let's get ready! Are you as curious as I am to see what's in this wonderful box? I've been happy before, so to me, this is Happy Meal. Let's see if Luna feels the same. Is she trying to sneak a peek? Oh, yes, she is. Well, you don't have to wait any longer. Let's get started. I decided to get something very practical, and I found these wonderful bath mats, and I bought several of them because I thought these were perfect for all the bathrooms in my house. They had all different colors as well. Now check out this ivy vine. I love ivy vines, and I was so happy that I was able to find this. These are so long. They're more than 6 foot long, and there are six different branches. It's just amazing the amount of florals and the choices that they have. Check out these beautiful lavender flowers. Now I thought they were a little lighter, but these dark purple ones will be great going into fall. Now, Luna kept trying to she kept trying to run off with the florals, and I thought it was funny. But take a look at this. I think I would run off with these florals as well. These are these giant peonies in this beautiful champagne pink color. Now, don't worry, if you want these exact items, they will be listed in my description down below. But look at how fantastic and how perfect if you're preparing for a wedding, a bridal shower, baby shower, everything you can find at Temu. And these pigs are just adorable, even though they're smaller flowers, but they are so convenient. Now you couldn't find anything like that at the Dollar Tree, and check out the price, $1.78, and the quality far exceeds anything you can find at the Dollar Tree. And it rivals everything that you can find at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Just amazing. Look at that cute little bouquet. Again, imagine all of the wonderful things that you can create, especially for the celebrations that are just around the corner with weddings and graduations. Absolutely perfect. Now, these colors are just fantastic, especially since they can run into fall. There are some more lavender florals. Here's a twine vine with little leaves on it. I thought it's perfect for cottagecore look. But check out these roses. I am in love. I wish I had ordered more because these are so fantastic. And once again, the prices are so reasonable. These tiny little florals are also perfect for all of your arts and crafts projects. Now check out this eucalyptus garland. It's mixed greens, but the eucalyptus garland is absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to use that as well. Also remember that you have free shipping and you have 90 days for free returns. So you won't be disappointed with anything that you receive from Temu. Do you have a Cricut? Do you need Cricut accessories? You know how expensive they are in the stores. $248 for one of these Cricut pads. You know that's not at all what you would have to pay for them in the stores or even online for Cricut or Amazon. And now check out this item. Bet you don't know what this is. This is transfer paper, old-fashioned transfer paper. So hard to find, but they're right there at Temu, and I'm so happy I got this for myself. I also found this edging, which I thought was interesting. It's vinyl, but I can use it for anything. Now, scrapbook paper, look at this for $2.18. I fell in love with this design. If you love shabby chic or romantic, look at these colors, look at these designs. They are so versatile and you can use them all throughout the year. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Now, Luna was just fascinated with all the florals that I received, so she just sat herself down and pretended to be in a garden. Now check out these wonderful tiny micro mini razors. I thought this was perfect for any craft, and especially for Cricut crafts. Of course, who doesn't need new scoopers, ice cream scoopers, for summertime? There are so many items. This is to create your own seam binding. Isn't that fantastic? I needed one of those. I got some sewing supplies because I promised myself to sew a little more. Those needle threaders always come in so handy. I think Luna just popped out. She was so tired. And look at this. So you can really fix your t-shirts with your Cricut displays or with your Cricut transfers. Sorry about that. Now here is the rest of my haul. I got some jewelry items. Now check out this beautiful blinged up ribbon, and this is real rhinestones, not plastic. These are real crystal rhinestones, and I thought this was fantastic. I had to add it to any of my crafts just to bling it up a little bit. You need some ink pads. Look at these beautiful ink pads. So fun in so many different colors. And paintbrushes galore, and at prices you would not believe. And check out this welcome mat. It's beautiful. I thought it was perfect for my back door. I needed something for my back door. I didn't think it was going to be as big as it was. Look at this. It's perfect for the spring and summer seasons. Absolutely lovely. I also got these wonderful little storage containers. I think this is perfect for storing my beads or those tiny little flowers that you saw. I mean, if I continue getting things from Temu, I've got to find a way to organize them all. Little Kuru wanted to check out what was going on, so she was trying to jump on the table and I had to show her there's no space. I have so many little items. Again, something very practical which I needed were some of these measuring spoons and cups. The set came together and it's so cute and pink. And of course, if you have an air fryer, what better than some air fryer liners and a mixing bowl. Some of these may not be as exciting as all of the wonderful craft supplies, but check this out. If you have a craft room, you need one of these little grabby grabbers, and it has a magnet at the end of it so you can pick up your pins or any of your items that might fall under your craft desk. And of course, I need a little sponge caddy for my kitchen. I think that's it for this Temu haul, but I'll tell you, I've been very happy with other items that I've been getting from Temu, such as jewelry and dresses. I really love the fact that I can get almost anything I want. Check out this. I thought this would be cool for some projects. Don't know what I'm going to use it for, but it's paintable, so I can use it for so many things. Let me tell you a little bit more about this wonderful website. If you have never been to Temu, I invite you to check them out. You'll be surprised at the savings that you'll get. There's a site-wide sale that, I am not kidding you, is 90% off. There is so much to find, and it's incredible all of the different categories that you can purchase in, whether it's clothing, shoes, accessories, clothing for children, even items for your crafting projects, to anything to beautify your home, rugs. I mean, it's incredible what you can find at Temu. And if you check them out, please remember to use my code at the checkout, which is DEAL7289. That's DEAL 7289. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul. I know there's many Temu shopping hauls out there, but I hope that I gave you a good understanding of what Temu is, and most especially if you're a crafter, how much more you can save by using Temu for your crafting supplies moving forward. And I hope you take advantage of this special deal 7289, deal 7289, to get 30% off. Thank you once again for spending time with me, and if you enjoy this, please come back for more. Please like, share, and subscribe so that I can get inspired to bring you more and more content and ideas of what to make. As I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. And I'll see you all again very, very soon.